We're here on the 7th floor of Barrows Hall, University of California, Berkeley. They actually have this little auxiliary elevator that just goes between the 7th and the 8th floor. Super weird. It's an old Westinghouse, and it's significantly smaller than the other two.
Yeah, this thing's really small. Basement track.
Yeah, I saw that. So it must be on the 6th floor.
So this one still has its old mod from the first time these got modded.
It's a lot more original too. The door equipment's all Westinghouse, and these doors act like Westinghouse. Let's see if whoa, hey now.
Yep, definitely Westy.
No, Westinghouse would have immediately closed. But that does seem very Westinghouse-like. Again?
Yeah.
Listen to the relay. Look at the access key switch. That's weird.
Westinghouse. Very smooth.
Yeah. That's weird. This whole thing is weird.
Yeah. I don't know what they use this one for.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the purpose of this is, unless at one point 7 and 8 were like really high traffic. Very interesting.